this video, we're going to show you how to start and work on a leave of absence request in ProcessMaker. Using ProcessMaker's workflow automation tool, users can fill out digital forms and submit them to other users in their company without touching a pen and paper. As a result, the time it takes to submit and approve requests is significantly reduced. In this example, the requester is going to open and fill out and submit a leave of absence request form for approval. To start a new request, the requester simply needs to click the Request button at the user interface. The next screen lists all of the processes where the requester can start a request. Now the requester simply needs to find the leave of absence process and click the Start button to open the leave of absence request form. This is the leave of absence request form. Notice how the requester's information is pre-filled into each field, saving the requester precious time. All the requester needs to do is enter the specific details about their leave request. After filling in the required information about the leave of absence, the requester simply needs to click the Submit button to send this form to their supervisor. When the supervisor logs in, the leave of absence review form is ready for review. On this form, the supervisor simply needs to review the information input by the requester and approve or deny the request. Conditions built into the process route the request based on the decision made by the supervisor. In this case, the supervisor grants the leave request. Since the leave request was granted, ProcessMaker automatically sends an email to the requester to notify them that their request was granted. The information contained in the email notification changes based on the unique leave request. The leave request is then routed to the Human Resources Department to make sure that the correct amount of leave is entered into the requester's leave record. After the Human Resources user verifies the leave taken, ProcessMaker automatically updates the requester's leave record. Finally, ProcessMaker sends them an email to notify the requester of the leave remaining. This is just one of the ways that ProcessMaker automates processes from beginning to end to streamline approvals, but the possibilities are endless. Thank you for watching our video.